Welcome everybody to our channel, Patwa Tex Evridie. Patwa our language, and we feel good to share one more text with you from the Bible. Today's text comes from Colossians 1 verses 15 to 17. Listen what it says.
Jesus is same like him Father. You can't see God, but you can look upon Jesus and see how God turn. Before God make nothing, Jesus did there. Him higher than everything where God make. Cause God used Jesus to make everything where they are heaven and where they upon the earth. Everything. All where people can see and where them can't see. Everything. And He make the powerful spirit them where lead or a rule. Every single thing I make them, and I him them make for. Him they bout from before nothing at all did make. And everything turn which part God put them, sake of him.
Think about this. Where this a text I teach me about God? How me can use it in my life? How me can use it help other people? One way we can use it help other people is to share it with them so them can live how God tell them to live. This is how me think. God really loves we, and when we serve Him, it make Him happy. So we must read Him word every day and think about it hard, then share it with people. And just remember say, when you wanna text far, it make the devil turn far. See you soon!